everybody, we are out here doing an Akebono big brake swap on my Z, and we use the Concept Z Performance adapter bracket. Now the problem with that is when you get it, you get two of these, and a bag of bolts, and zero instruction. So there's not a whole lot of instruction online about how these go. And as you can tell, there's like 18 different ways. They are directional, one's for the passenger, one's for the driver. So what you do, first thing you like to do here, once you get everything disassembled, cut this little piece of the dust shield off. As you can see, it's got grooves to where it fits perfect. The other side will fit the other way. Now you'll notice you'll have one really long bolt compared to the rest of them. That's for this adapter bracket. The bracket goes like that. Get a little bit of assistance here. Like that. Then this will actually go through. The long bolt goes through there and then threads in. Now you will notice this is crescent shaped right here. That is to allow the foot of the caliper to ride down in there. So as you can see on the other side here, we're already done. As you can see here, that has to ride in there. So my suggestion is to bolt everything up before you tighten this bolt down. Get everything lined up, because if you tighten this all the way down, you won't be able to move this little adapter. So get everything fitted, take your caliper back off, and then bolt this down. Now the problem here with that is you're going to have to use a box end to tighten that down, because a socket won't fit because of the hub. But that's all there is to it. It's actually really simple. As you can see here, I got everything bolted up and I'm going to take it back off and put my caliper on. So I just wanted to help you guys out. 18 different ways.